Today I'm making delicious Pozole Verde de Pollo. It's so easy to make, and honestly to me, it's just as good as Pozole Rojo. Cheers! I've set my pot to high heat with 8 quarts of water. Water is boiling. I'm gonna add 1 whole onion, 2 garlic heads, and 3 tablespoons of salt. Give it a mix, cover it up, and let it boil for a few minutes. For the chicken, here I have a mixture of bone-in breast, thighs, and legs. It's been 5 minutes and now we're gonna add in the chicken. It's a total of 5 pounds. We also add 5 bay leaves, cover it up, and cook for 15 minutes. While we wait, I'm gonna roast 2 poblano peppers and 1 Anaheim pepper. They're ready and I'm gonna put them in a plastic bag to sweat. It's been 15 minutes and now I'm gonna add the Maíz Blanco, Hominy. I'm adding 110 ounces. Mix, cover it up, and cook for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna peel the peppers and I like to use a spoon because it's easier, and I'm also gonna remove the seeds. We can now start working on the salsa. I'm gonna boil 12 tomatillos just until they change color. As you can see, they've changed color and I'm gonna take them out. It's been 30 minutes, we remove the chicken and let it cool off before shredding. We're also gonna remove the onion and the garlic heads, and we reserve about 4 cups of the broth. Reduce the heat to low, cover it up, and continue cooking. Now to the blender cup, I'm gonna add an additional 3 cups of hominy, 1 cup of the broth we reserved, 2 jalapeños that I've cleaned and deveined, 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and 5 garlic cloves, and we blend. We're gonna add this mixture into the pot, and this is so that your pozole is a little bit more flavorful and a little bit thicker. Mix, cover it up, and continue cooking. To make the salsa, I'm gonna add 1 bunch of spinach into the blender cup, some leaves from the radishes, a small bunch of cilantro, the 2 poblanos and Anaheim that I roasted, the tomatillos. Here I have 1 teaspoon of each, oregano and peppercorn. And last 3 cups of the reserved broth. And now we blend. Now we add back in the shredded chicken. I removed all the skin and bones. We add the salsa and we strain as we do so, and if it's a little too thick, you can just add broth just like this. Once all the sauce is in, mix, and this is the perfect time to check for more salt or chicken bouillon. Cover it up and cook for an additional 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and our pozole is ready. Now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl. If you haven't tried chicken pozole, this is your chance to make it. To me, it's just as good as the red one. I'm gonna add some cabbage, radishes, cebolla, y cilantro. Last, I like to top it off with some salsa macha. It gives it that smoky good flavor. I already have a recipe if you're interested. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. And there you have it, delicious Pozole Verde.